If you're looking for a small multifunctional drone, then don't miss the Spear-3tc drone. Features a foldable, stowable design for easy deployment. Ultra-long 38-minute flight time. Maximum flight speed of 72 km per hour. 10-kilometer long-range image transmission. Equipped with a triple light gimbal. Supports thermal imaging, visible light, and laser ranging. Flexible deployment. Allows the 3T to operate in various scenarios. Widely used in fields like outdoor rescue, power inspection, and target tracking. The drone is equipped with 4 laser sensor modules. Supports 4-direction obstacle avoidance. Easily navigates complex terrains. Unrivaled performance with endless possibilities.
First, we put the battery into the drone's battery compartment. Connect the battery cable to the drone. Make sure it is firm. Close the battery compartment and lock it tightly. Reload. Load 4 rounds of 60 mm mortar shells into the bomb-dropping device in sequence. Pilot-controlled drone takeoff. Operators aim at the target. Press R1 on the remote control to unlock it. Press R2 to drop the bomb. Can perform a single bomb drop operation. Full throw operation is also possible. Double-click R2 when unlocked. To unlock the full throw mode. The drone returns after completing the bombing mission. Bomb function demonstration completed. This is our 6-rotor drone. Secure the arm with a snap. Install firearms. Secure the firearm in the bracket. Fixed by screws on the outer plate. Tighten successively during installation. Make sure the firearm is secure. Put the battery in the drone battery compartment. Connect with the drone via the interface. Close the cover and complete the installation. Firearms should be loaded in advance before use. Drone takeoff. Operators observe through the pod. By operating the gimbal pitch. To control the pitch of the firearm. You can also change the shooting angle by rotating yourself. Demonstration of drone-mounted firearms involved completed. Drones for return landing. This is a surveillance strike integrated racing drone. Carbon fiber frame makes it lightweight and portable. Equipped with 8,000 mAh battery. It can last up to 50 minutes without a load. It has a payload of 3 kilograms. Can carry a variety of equipment. The drone is equipped with a dual light gimbal for visible light and thermal imaging. Ensure clear imaging in both day and night environments. Provide high-quality imaging materials for operations. It is the first choice for special operations. Thanks for watching.
不好。